Juicing has been one of the most popular health and wellness trends over the last decade. Although juicing should never be used as a replacement for eating plenty of whole, fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, many people find it's a simple and delicious way to boost their intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. There are many products available to choose juicers for fruits, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best juicers for fruits from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let us jump into the video. Number 1. Best for beginners. Kuvings B6000P Whole Slow Juicer. The Kuvings Whole Slow Masticating Juicer can easily juice a variety of fruits and vegetables, including celery, leafy greens, and wheatgrass. It's equipped with a quiet 240-watt motor and a single auger, all wrapped up in a stylish, low-profile design that won't take up too much counter space. Even though it's a slow, 60 RPM juicer, it's outfitted with several time-saving features, making it a great choice for those new to juicing. For example, the feed chute is a generous 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters wide, which means you don't have to spend too much time prepping your produce before throwing it in. When you're finished, there are just a few parts to disassemble. Plus, it comes with a rounded cleaning brush that makes cleanup quick and easy. Also included is a separate attachment for making sorbet and smoothies. This model isn't the most affordable option, but comes with a limited 10-year manufacturer warranty. Despite its sleek appearance, some online reviewers reported issues with the pulp filter and other parts clogging. Why we love it. Equipped with wide feed chute to minimize prep time, additional attachments, and rounded cleaning brush available, includes 10-year manufacturer warranty. Things to consider: higher price than similar products and reports of issues with clogging and pulp filter. Number 2. Fastest juicer. Breville Juice Fountain Elite. The Breville Juice Fountain Elite features a powerful 1000-watt motor that's strong enough to extract juice from even the toughest produce. It comes with 2 pre-programmed speed settings, so you can adjust according to the type and texture of the produce you're juicing. The feed chute is 3 inches, 7.5 centimeters wide, so you won't need to spend much time, if any, cutting fruits and vegetables before they're ready to be juiced. Each part of the juicer that comes into contact with food can be disassembled and is dishwasher safe, with many reviewers reporting that the juicer is easy to clean. The Juice Fountain Elite's price falls in the mid-range as far as juicers go. The main downside is that the pour spout sits fairly low on the machine, making it difficult to fill the juice pitcher to its maximum capacity without spilling. Many users also report that its motor is quite noisy. Why we love it. Includes 2 speed settings: wide feed chute to save time, easy to disassemble, dishwasher safe, and easy to clean. Things to consider: reports of issues with splage, noisy motor. Number 3. Best masticating juicer. Hurom HP Slow Juicer. If you're in the market for a masticating juicer for personal use, look no further than the Hurom HP Slow Juicer. It's stylish and compact, which makes it a good option for anyone who has limited space or just wants to make enough juice for 1 or 2 people at a time. Registered dietitian and Healthline Nutrition and Fitness Market Editor Kelly McGrain tried the Hurom HP Slow Juicer and notes that it's a sleek juicer that doesn't take up too much counter real estate. Still, its small size doesn't mean it can't perform. The quiet 150-watt motor and single auger are powerful enough to juice a wide range of fruits and vegetables, including leafy greens. The auger works at an ultra-slow pace of 43 RPM to preserve juice quality, while leaving behind exceptionally dry pulp which you can use to make sorbet, tofu, and plant-based milk alternatives. According to McGrain, the high yield of the juicer and the fact that it comes with both a fine and a coarse strainer may make it worth the investment for those who regularly juice. It's also durable and has fewer removable parts than its competitors. Additionally, the Hurom HP comes with a 10-year manufacturer warranty. The main downsides are that the feed chute and juice capacity are small, meaning that you need to cut foods into smaller pieces, and that it has only 1 setting. McGrain also notes that while there's a bit of a learning curve, the biggest downside in my opinion is that the machine and its accessories aren't the easiest to clean. Why we love it. Quiet motor, compact for personal use. It comes with fine and coarse strainers, includes 10-year manufacturer warranty. Things to consider: expensive as smaller feed chute and juice capacity. Only 1 setting may be difficult to clean. Number 4. Best juicer for greens. Omega Ultimate Juicer and Nutrition System. Omega is one of the leading manufacturers of masticating juicers, and the J8006 HDS model lives up to the hype. This juicer is exceptionally versatile and can juice anything from soft fruits to tough vegetables, leafy greens, wheatgrass, and everything in between. It also has multiple settings for making pasta, homemade nut butter, sorbet, and baby food. The juicer boasts a powerful but quiet 200-watt motor that allows the durable auger to crush produce slowly at 80 RPM, to be exact, to preserve juice quality and maximize yield. It comes with a generous 15-year limited warranty and is slightly more affordable than many other juicers in its class. The main downsides are the small feed chute and the multiple parts that require cleaning after each use. That said, all the removable parts are dishwasher safe, and because pressed juices have a shelf life of 2-3 days, you may not have to juice very often. Some users also report that the screen clogs up easily when juicing soft fruits or vegetables, though they also note that this can be easily fixed by using a spoon to clear the pulp. Why we love Idequopt with multiple settings includes €15 limited warranty removable parts, are dishwasher safe. Things to consider: has a smaller feed chute than other Medelsha's multiple parts that require cleaning, may become clogged easily with certain foods, relatively expensive. Number 5. Best juicer for whole fruit. Tribus Green Star Elite Juicer. If you're looking for a heavy-duty slow juicer that's built to last, the Tribus Green Star Elite is a fantastic choice. It has a unique 110 RPM twin-gear design that extracts a higher juice yield with better nutrient retention than many other juicers. What's more, the twin gears are made entirely of stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about them breaking or wearing down. It has separate settings for hard and soft produce to maximize efficiency and reduce food waste, and it comes with multiple filter options, so you can tailor the amount of pulp that ends up in your cup. Plus, the machine is capable of functioning as a basic food processor. The main downsides are the price and the small feed chute. An arrow chute means you'll have to spend more time chopping produce to fit into the machine. Some users also note that it requires quite a bit of strength to push certain foods through the feed chute completely. Additionally, the price point makes it a larger investment than many people are willing to commit to, though it comes with a limited 12-year manufacturer warranty. Why we love it: multiple settings and filter options. Also functions as a basic food processor made with durable materials. Includes limited 12-year manufacturer warranty. Things to consider: narrow feed chute priced higher than similar products. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.